The foundation course in digital marketing is a very comprehensive course in digital marketing for beginners. In this course, you will understand the various nuances of digital marketing as well as the various elements of the digital marketing mix framework. The foundation course in digital marketing is designed to give you a complete understanding of digital marketing. You will be able to make the right choices and decisions with digital marketing at the end of this course. We start with the digital economy and why digital is becoming so important in today's life. We then study the marketing fundamentals, importance of marketing pillars, the 4 P's, the marketing mix, and the marketing audit. We then explore digital marketing and the digital marketing mindset. Here we introduce the digital marketing mix framework or DMMF. We proceed to understand the important role of websites in digital marketing and the role of web analytics, especially Google Analytics, in enhancing the effectiveness of websites. Search engine marketing includes organic SEO and paid PPC. SEO is search engine optimization and PPC is pay-per-click. And if done right, search engine marketing can really tilt results in your favor. Content marketing plays a very important role in digital marketing. It is good to know how to go about creating great content. We then bust the myth that email marketing does not work. We also discuss how to make it work for you. We then explore ways to monetize content that is popular and has a fan following. Mobile marketing is the future of digital marketing, and there are various forms of mobile marketing that we need to acknowledge. Finally, we study social media marketing strategies, approaches, and best practices, along with a discussion on the most popular social media platforms of today. We end the course with the opportunities presented by digital marketing globally. I am sure you will all enjoy this course with me. I look forward to it.